Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about American Express and how you can get approved for any card without any impact on your credit score. American Express is one of the most popular credit card issuers in the world, and for good reason. They offer some of the best rewards, perks, and benefits in the credit card industry. However, applying for a credit card can often be a daunting experience, especially if you're worried about the impact it might have on your credit score. But fear not. In this video, we'll show you how to get approved for an American Express card without any negative impact on your credit score. So, let's get started. First of all, it's important to understand how your credit score works. Your credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness. It's based on your credit history, including your payment history, your credit utilization, and the length of your credit history. When you apply for a credit card, the credit card issuer will typically check your credit score and report to see if you're a good candidate for your card. However, every time a credit card issuer checks your credit report, it can have a negative impact on your credit score. This is because too many inquiries into your credit report can make you look like a risky borrower, and therefore lower your credit score. But here's the good news: American Express has a tool called Check for Pre-Qualified Offers that allows you to see if you're pre-qualified for any of their cards without having to apply and undergo a hard credit inquiry. This means that you can check your eligibility for an American Express card without any negative impact on your credit score. To use this tool, simply go to the American Express website and click on the Cards tab. From there, click on the Check for Pre-Qualified Offers button and fill out the necessary information. American Express will then check your creditworthiness and let you know if you're pre-qualified for any of their cards. If you're pre-qualified for a card, it means that American Express has already checked your creditworthiness and determined that you're a good candidate for their card. This means that if you apply for the card, you're more likely to be approved, and you won't have to worry about any negative impact on your credit score. But even if you're not pre-qualified for a card, there are still some steps you can take to improve your chances of getting approved. First, make sure that you have a good credit score. This means paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and maintaining a good credit history. Second, consider applying for a card that's geared toward your credit level. For example, if you have a limited credit history, you may want to apply for a secured credit card. Or, if you have a good credit score, you may want to apply for a rewards card that offers cash back or points. Finally, consider applying for an American Express card that matches your spending habits. For example, if you travel frequently, you may want to apply for a travel rewards card. Or, if you dine out frequently, you may want to apply for a dining rewards card. So, there you have it. With American Express's Check for Pre-Qualified Offers tool, you can get approved for any card without any negative impact on your credit score. And if you follow these tips, you'll improve your chances of getting approved for an American Express card that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you like our video, please like, share our videos, and subscribe to our channels.